It's me, Bree Reads! Hi friends, it's me, Bree. Today, let's draw one of our favorite storybook characters, Pete the cat, like this. It's summertime! Let's draw Pete in some swimming trunks surfing! Use your creativity to design a surfboard and swimming trunks. For a coloring page version, you can print this out from my website, linked below, and skip ahead in the video here. We can color together.
For this project, you'll need paper, a pencil to draw, a pen or marker to outline with, and colors. I'm using my favorite beeswax crayons. I'll link them in the description box. Now take a moment to gather your materials. It's time to draw. Start with your hand in the middle of the page. This corner, where my pointer finger is, that's where we'll draw the head. Make an open triangle for the ear. Come over. And another open triangle, like this. 2 pointy ears. Now on both sides, we're going to come straight down, like this. Down, down. And now to finish the head, we'll connect the lines, dipping down and curving up. Great! Now let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw 2 big teardrop shapes. Round up, round bottom. Again, almost touching. Round up, round bottom. And now, the nose. It's an upside down triangle with round edges. Next, the inside of the eyes. Come to the top line and make a letter U shape. 1 in each eye. And then do it again. The same shape in the eye, just smaller. And again. Now we'll make whiskers. 1, 2, 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3 on this side. Now let's draw the body. Start under the nose here. Dip down and then draw a straight line over. And stop. Now we'll come down. Make a little scoop. Come up into a point and right back down. Another little scoop. And then up, up, all the way to the top of the back. These are Pete's swim trunks. Next, we'll come back under the nose, but this time we'll go down and draw a bump for Pete's paw. We'll make a kind of slanted line for his front leg, then come down for his other front leg. Bump and up. Next, we'll draw another straight line across from the top of the leg to the trunks. Now the back 2 legs. Come down, bump, around and up. Again. Down, bump, around and up. Now for the tail. It's going to curl like this. From the back, curl in. Come around and close off that curvy tail. Just just like that. Next, we're going to design Pete's swim trunks. I'm making a fish shape with a teardrop and a triangle. Again, when the fish is on the edge of the shorts, I don't draw the tail, just the body. A teardrop body, a triangle tail. And I'll just repeat, making my very own pattern. You can make whatever pattern or design you like. Oh, my sweet kitty, Ferdinand. He must have seen the fish and wanted a taste. He came over to help me draw. Not now, Ferdinand. We'll see you next time. After all my fishies were complete, I went back to draw on the eyes. I just made little dots for the eyes.
If you want, you can stop here and then draw Pete in some other kind of summertime fun activity. Maybe going on a picnic or swimming in a swimming pool. Maybe having fun at the beach, building a sandcastle. Maybe wearing sunglasses or a hat. Whatever you can imagine. We're going to move ahead and draw Pete on top of a surfboard, riding a big wave in the ocean.
Now let's draw that surfboard. I'll start here at the back. Come around, draw all the way over, round at the other side, and anytime you meet the legs, just hop over them and keep your line steady. Great! Now at the top of the surfboard, we'll just make a little curve, like this. And then at the bottom, in the back, we're going to draw a fin for the surfboard. That's what helps the surfboard steer in the water. It comes down and around almost like a moon shape. And now the wave. From the back, a curved line to the edge. And now we'll draw a great big curl. Down, around, in, and out again. Then wavy to the edge. Let's watch that one more time. In, around, and follow the line you made before. Then wave it out. Like this. Last, we'll draw the sun in the corner here with a curved line. And then some straight lines shooting off like sun rays. Some long and some shorter. Now take your pen or marker. It's time to outline. Cover all your pencil marks that you want to keep with the black pen or marker. When you reach the eyes, color in that second arch. Leave the smallest one white. Now I'm using an eraser. You can use the eraser on the end of a pencil. I'm using this special art eraser. And I'm erasing all the pencil marks that got left behind. You don't have to do this part, but I like to. And now let's color. I'm using this ocean blue for Pete's fur. He's kind of a dark blue colored cat. When that's all done, let's color the trunks. I'm using yellow for the background. Since yellow is a light color, I'm going to color it first. All the other colors can cover it. Next, I'm going to take an assortment of different rainbow colors to color each individual fish. Remember, you can make whatever pattern, color, shape, design that you like. Use your creativity. Now for Pete's eyes, I'm using a brown color. This space at the bottom will be colored brown. Only the very top space on the eye will be white. Now, the surfboard. I'm choosing a lime or light green color for the main part of the board. For the tip or front of the board, I chose a yellow-orange color, something nice and bright for summer. Oh, and I went back with my lime green to get the fin of the board. Next, the sun. I'm using a classic yellow. I'll color in the big sun part first, and then I'll draw yellow on top of the sun ray lines. Next, I'm using a true blue, a royal blue, to color in the great big wave. I keep turning my paper to get the best angle for my coloring. Next, I'm using the edge of this sky blue color. When I use the edge, I'm able to press softly and cover a big area. I'm using sky blue for you guessed it, for the sky. I'm filling in all the leftover white spaces behind Pete, next to the sun, and behind the wave. It's a beautiful sunny day in this picture. There's not a cloud in the sky. Lastly, I decided to go back in with a darker blue on Pete's fur. I just wanted to make him a little bit darker. Remember, just use whatever you have and whatever makes you happy. Great job, friends!
Thank you for drawing with me today. I want to see your Pete the Cat. Did you make a different design for the trunks? Or maybe your Pete the Cat is doing a different summer activity, eating ice cream, swimming at the beach, building a sand castle? I want to see. Please find and tag me on Instagram to show me. And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time.